Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you a day with Vision Pro, how the room setup is. So look at this huge screen. Yes, for watching any Netflix series or any movies. I would prefer to watch it in this scale. Now let's see the rest of the setup. Okay, so here you go, some chats on my iMessage. I can simply, use this keyboard, which is pretty nice. You can actually, type, and you can feel the touch. It's very, very useful. This way, let's see what's happening on Slack at my work. Some work chats here. All right, and this is my music running on the side. You always want to drag and pin windows from one place to another. Here's another browser window, Safari, exploring Google Maps here. Pinch to zoom. Okay, so here's the desk where I can continue my work. So this is not connected to my MacBook, but still there's my some apps you can use on the Vision Pro App Store that can help you design great UX UI. All right, this is me looking myself in the mirror with Vision Pro. Let's see the home setup over here. This is another view. The best part is you can leave any windows anywhere. So I left one of the YouTube videos over here. So here I can see my videos, some of my emails in my inbox while washing your hands. It's pretty useful. Let's see what's in there next to wardrobe. I don't know why I placed world clocks over here, but anyways, it's a nice home setup. Let's see over here. Yeah, you can do multitasking. You can, while in the toilet, you can read some news. All right, let's go out and see what's next. Okay, let's take, you can easily use your phone, you can read your messages, you can read, very easily. Let's take a selfie. Let's go outdoor. So this is the outdoor view. I'll try using something outdoor in this weather now. Okay, let's go, let's start. Some screens over here. Let's bring the cinema in the sky. Here, home cinema in the sky. So here I open my Netflix. Still there's no official Netflix app on the App Store, but you can still use your browser. See the scale, how big you can scale this. So here, your cinema in the sky, your music over here. Let's see what we can bring in for productivity. This is a nice view to start some work. Let's bring some productivity apps over here. Alright, this is my Figma. I'm just trying to open and choose different projects. Here, just you can tap, right? And it works like that. Okay. The only thing is here, which I would recommend is to plug in some wireless keyboard and touchpad or mouse. That will really help replacing your MacBook. Let's see what else we have. Let's try some meditation using this Mindful app. Pretty nice graphics. So this is pretty much the experience with the Vision Pro in a day. This is how you live your life with Vision Pro.